Hello everybody, so today I'm going to show you guys, let me see here, how to uninstall Madden 22 on Windows 10. So that's what we're going to do today in this video, is to how to uninstall Madden 22 on Windows 10. Okay, so let's go and get started here. So there are two ways that you can uninstall Madden 22, is you can uninstall it through Steam, or you can go to Origin and right click on your game and then hit uninstall. And if you have a control panel, you can also uninstall it from there. So anyways, what I'm going to do is today I'm going to uninstall it from Steam. So I'm going to go to Steam and then right click it, then go to manage and then hit uninstall. And just so go ahead and click on that, and it says, would you like to uninstall Madden 22 from this computer? All you have to do is just basically hit this button right here, and then you should be good to go on how to uninstall Madden 22. So I'm going to click on that now. And then there you go, it's now removed onto your computer. Now if you head on over to your Origin account, and then it's uninstalled on there too as well. So anyways, that's it today about Madden 22 for you today. But for me, I'm going to go ahead and keep this on my computer because I like to play it every now and then if I have enough room. And there we go. Alright, so anyways, well, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.